Rusty from Dingo Power here. I just wanted to do a quick video on the joysticks. A lot of times on the older machines prior to 2021, you'll have a joystick that kind of pops on you. It's not a smooth motion forward, but once you push it forward a little bit, it moves smoothly. A lot of people think that's an internal problem with the valve. It is not. What it is typically is, sorry about the out of focus, is on the bottom of the stem there's a little brass stem that slides up and down that engages and disengages your neutral safety switch. There is that little brass stem corrodes in there, and what will happen is it will make it to where it jerks when you push it in. Once it pushes in, it moves fine. You can just take this apart and clean it. Maybe hit it with a little bit of very fine emery cloth and put it back together, and you'll be good to go. There is a little tiny ball in the end of this brass pin. You want to make sure you don't lose that ball. Just give you a heads up, but clean it up really good, hit it with some Scotch-Brite, put it back together, and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. As always, we offer a full line of Dingo parts at dingopower.com. Feel free to call us, email, or text us. Thank you. Alright, Rusty from Rusty Rental here. I wanted to do a follow video on the neutral safety switch replacement. It's really hard to see, but I'll do the best I can. When you're replacing these switches, if you note, the spring does not push on the plunger of the microswitch. It goes to the side. It's easier to pull the entire stem out and replace it this way, then you can pull the brass piece out that holds the spring, and then you can simply unbolt the microswitch, put the new one in place, and put it back together. Once again, do not lose the little ball at the end of the brass plunger. That's very important. As always, thanks for watching. Rusty from Dingo Power. Please reach out to us with any of your questions.